Welcome back to another Singularity of the Day. Today's question is how to sort your reports. Reports are great inside SOLIDWORKS Electrical, right? We can have bill of materials, we can have drawing lists, wire lists, etc. One of the other options is PLC inputs and outputs. Well, valid enough. But as you can see here, it's empty. Let's take a look at first why that is. Because I do have a PLC in this design. And all of these circuits, all these connections, as you can see, the type of circuit is designated for input-output, but we currently do not have inputs or outputs defined, right? We can associate these with different functions to help manage this data. So how do we create that? Well, we'll easily do that by group selecting my circuits, right-click, and add new PLC input-output. So I'll do that for all of them, at least the ones I had selected. So taking a look back at the list, you can see I have my inputs and outputs defined. Looks very good. So when I come back to my report here we go. Now, I don't have this sorted exactly how I want, right? I would expect to see I1 to be at the very top of the list. And I can do that here now, but as you can see, right, when I generate the drawing, and open that up here, it's starting out back at QA. Well, in fact, taking a look back here, it's automatically sorted based on the numbers here on the left-hand side. So we can change that by going into the properties of that report. Go to the Sort and Break tab, and here's where, if you take a look at other reports, manufacturer may be one of the sorting conditions, and we can break to it as well. Doesn't really pertain here, but what does pertain is the address, right? So the electrical address, so we'll choose here CEL address, add that to the list. And when I refresh or update that report, very good, that's what I would expect to see. So at this point, let's go ahead and generate our drawings. And now as you can see, it's following the sort order as defined. So again, take a look back at the properties of the report you're generating. You can go to the Sort and Break tab and add any of those conditions that you may need and order them appropriately. So hopefully you've enjoyed the Singularity of the Day, and we'll catch you next time.